Hey everyone, and welcome to another pay dirt review of... No, that's not how you start it. Hey guys, and welcome, and look at me. Alright, hey guys, and welcome to another pay dirt review from the Groovy Gold Hunter. And I don't have a new pay dirt, but I've got a repeat pay dirt. And the reason why I bought this one, she does not sell pay dirt a lot, but when she does, it's usually a gram bag. This time she sold a 4-gram bag of pay dirt, so I jumped on it. And as soon as I did, I thought, oh, this will be great because there's 4 grams of gold, so it'll be a bigger bag of pay dirt, right? No, this will be a quick pay dirt review. Let's just put it that way. Intro, and then we'll look at it. Yes, I have a repeat pay dirt. I just did this, I think back in December. It is now March. I bought it again, and here it is. This little bitty bag right here. It is from Bering Sea Pay Dirt, or Emily Riedel's pay dirt company, the one that's on Bering Sea Gold. This is the stuff she gets off of her dredge, that big giant pontoon boat dredge that they use when they're on the Bering Sea. And here's the pay dirt. Before we get into the pay dirt, this is one thing I do like about her pay dirt when she sends it. This is the second time I got it. She's got really cool stickers. So there's one right there, and they're all different too. This one just says out of this world. Oh, I actually had this one. Bering Sea Pay Dirt. So cool stickers. And I've said this on her last review that I had done. She sends out this little aluminum card that's really cool as well. Talks about aluminum and gold on this side, and she certifies, it's like a certification too. She says, it says, I certified that this gold was recovered from the bottom of the Bering Sea via the MV Eroica at the great danger to the lives of my crew and by strenuous exertion of their hands. Keep it safe, but don't give it your heart. Gold makes men do funny things. Okay, here's the pay dirt. Now, when I got this, I was immediately like, are you kidding me? 4 grams of gold in this, and this is the size of the pay dirt bag. I haven't even opened it yet. Obviously, it's not going to get bigger in this bag, so let's open it real fast and see what we got. It feels like the bag itself weighs 4 grams, so gold vial. Probably the smallest one I've ever seen. That bag is hard to get. There we go. There it is right there. There's supposed to be 4. Oh, cool. Digger dirt, 4 grams of real Bering Sea gold guaranteed. It even says it on. Her packaging is excellent. Look at that. Now, first thing I'll say about this is it's wet. It is very wet. This is not dry pay dirt, and you can tell it's from the Bering Sea. The last one that I bought from her, I was looking over here to see if I still had it. I think I got rid of it. The last one I bought from her was the exact same way. Very fine black sands. There's supposed to be 4 grams of gold in that, so we'll get it in a bowl and we'll look at it and we'll see what happens. So I just opened it. I got to be very careful. I'm going to have to spray that. Yeah, very wet. So I'm going to dump all that in there, and I'm definitely going to have to spray the rest. I think I got it all. Let me make sure. It's a tad bit more of some sand in there, but I think the gold part is all out. I guess I could have just cut the other end open and got it out that route, but I think I pretty much got it all. That took longer than I wanted it to. So there it is. Let me get the water out. Try not to spill any gold or sands in the process. So yeah, this stuff is really doesn't even need to be classified. I mean, there's no material that looks different from the other. It looks like it's all the same material as far as size. So this is what I'll do. I will get my 20 mesh classifier, and what I'll do is I'll dump it in here very carefully. I'll pan down so you can see me do it. Yeah, I'll just try to wet classify it into this bowl. Let's hope we don't spill anything. I really shouldn't have done that. That was not a good idea, Heath. Yeah, I screwed up. This is my fault. Okay, so classifying is 100% out of the question. That the gold is bigger than the pay dirt material itself. Bummer. So that was a horrible mistake that I just made. We're going to just pan this stuff out. There's no classifying going to be done with this stuff. Here it is. And yeah, we'll just get to spooning it out and we'll just pan it. This will be quick. I will make it quick, I promise. I just thought since this was a 4-gram guaranteed gold bag of pay dirt, I would have gotten a lot more pay dirt, and that is not the case at all. I will take a spoonful out at a time, drop it in there, and we'll just pan it out. This is going to be super easy to pan out, by the way, because it's black sands and gold. This is going to be good results. There's no doubt about it, because look, look at that. Holy crap. Man, that is a lot of gold. Bingo. Very easy to pan back too. There was a piece of gold that got in with the sands, but yeah, this stuff is super easy to pan back. But yeah, look at all that gold right there. Pretty gold too. Where's my snuffer bottle? Probably take me a couple times to suck this up. Boom. One more spoonful. And one of the things in the description, it doesn't say anything about big nuggets or nothing like that. It just says 4 grams of gold guarantee. So I have a feeling this is going to be like 4.001 grams of gold. Again, I'm being super careful. I'm watching everything that I pan off, making sure no gold decides to slip out. I mean, each spoonful is going to be just mounds of gold. I think that will do it. Let's tap this back. You know what? Let me try my new tapping technique. That'd be something different I can do. So, do I lean it this way? I think I do. No, I have to go this way. Well, that ain't doing nothing. Everything's just staying on that side. Okay, that didn't work. I think it's only good for like flour gold, so let me do it the traditional way and just tap it back. Look at all that gold. This never gets old. Couldn't even tell you how many pieces that is. We'll say 200, 150 to 200. Nice stuff. We still got that much left, which ain't a lot. That's probably a good 3 more spoonfuls. Tap it back. Yeah, not as much, but still, nice little pan full of gold. I think I got it pretty clean. There's that batch, probably about 30 pieces. All right. Yeah, I would definitely consider this at least beginner to intermediate. Is that what would be after beginner? Pretty easy stuff to pan, let's just say that. All right, so I got enough for 2 more spoons. I could probably get this all in one. Let me see how much it looks like when I put it in a bowl. All right, we'll do it in 2 more, and then we'll definitely be done, because that's what I got left, and that's how much I put in there. That's a pretty good amount. So I heard something dragging on the pan. That wasn't like a scratch. That was a might be a rock, but sounded good. I can see the gold right now. It's very visible, but still trying to get as much of those sands out as I can. Quick tap. Oh. Yeah, I see the piece that was making all the racket, but it's nowhere near as big as I thought it would be. So let's get it back up in a group so I can show you guys what it looks like. There it is. Look at all that. Suck all that up, and we have one more pan, and we are done. One more, and we're done. And that is all she wrote. And again, look how clean my water is. That is 3 pay dirts that I've done, and my water is still that clean. All right, guys, this is it. Good strong tap, and again, nice pan of gold. Surprised there wasn't any bigger gold in here. This is mostly just flakes. Couple pickers here and there, but for the most part, yeah, just flakes. I thought maybe there'd be a small nugget or something in here, but no. A lot of roly-poly gold, that's for sure. And there it is, the last batch of the Bering Sea gold from Emily Riedel. Cool, and we're done. Yeah, I was trying to make that harder than it was. I'm like, oh, let me classify it. Ooh, I need to stratify it. No, all I had to do is just pan it. I could have just dumped it all in the pan, panned it out in one fell swoop, and probably would have been fine, but very easy, too easy. All we have to do now is let it dry, take it upstairs, we'll get a value, weigh it, all that good stuff. You know the drill. I'll see you guys upstairs in just a second. All right, guys, we are in the room. So we got the gold. Let me show it to you real quick. And there it is. Look at that big old pile of gold right there. Isn't that sweet? Nice, pretty gold. Let's weigh it right now. So yeah, I figured this would be just over 4 grams. Don't expect much more than like 4.0 something. We will zero it out. We are on grams. Now it's time to dump. And all of this is flaky gold. Half a gram, there's 1, 2, 3. Just as I thought. 4.036. So yeah, let's get on the calculator and see what kind of value we got. 4.036 is what I got. We'll call it 24 karat. Gold prices are still awesome. 2155.96. That's insane how much gold has gone up. Hope it stays that route. Calculate 279.76. Put it in here, 279.76. Paid 335.34 for this gold. I did overpay on this. Calculate, yeah, 83%. That's still a great return, 83%. I got to thinking about what I paid for it, and I'm like, man, I bought 5-gram bag from Gold Bay for $320, and Yukon had hers for $330. So, I mean, 83% is a good return on any pay dirt. I don't care who you are, but there are a couple suggestions I would say to Emily and what she's doing. Make it a pay dirt. That would be my best advice for her, because I think if she truly committed to being a pay dirt vendor, she could do extremely well doing it, and it wouldn't cost her. She's in a really good area where she can give unique pay dirt where everybody else is getting dirt from the ground, you know, out in the land somewhere from where they're digging the pay dirt. Since she's out there dredging it and she's in the Bering Sea, she can get some really cool rocks, you know, pebbles and stuff. She can make the pay dirts bigger, and it would just be a different pay dirt than any other vendor that sells it out there. It would be a really cool thing if she just sold them in 2 or 3 pound bags instead of putting just enough to cover up the gold. It's pretty much like, yeah, I'm gonna give you 4 grams of gold and just dash some sand on top of it. Make it bigger. Charge people for shipping. People will pay the extra $7, $10 for shipping to get more pay dirt. That took me literally about 20 minutes, and I drug it out. Most pay dirts that I review, it takes me a good hour or 2, and that's the part that people buy pay dirt for. They like the experience of panning it, getting all kinds of different material, classifying it, all that good stuff. So other than that, you know, again, I think it was a little overpriced, but still I got 83%, so we can't complain about that, especially the way gold prices have gone up. But yeah, all in all, it was a good pay dirt. Just wish there was more in there. So yeah, that's it. That is my review. Thank you guys so much for watching this pay dirt review of Emily Riedel's Bering Sea pay dirt. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the notification bell. That way every time I put out a new video, you guys will be the first to see it. I am Heath. This was the pay dirt review. Thank you for watching, and until next time, peace and love, and I will see you on my next review. Bye bye.